Hi there, Chris Kenny here, and welcome to Money Monday. I wanted to talk a little bit about the 80-20 rule. Basically, the fact that 20% of our activity will generate 80% of our business. Let me say that again, 20% of our activity will generate 80% of our business. So one of the things that I've consistently done is paid really close attention to what are the things in my business that I'm doing that are actually creating results, and making sure that I'm spending time there and eliminating, delegating, or just completely getting rid of the things that are not generating revenue. And I think this can be really, really difficult for some, mainly because we get comfortable. We get very familiar with what that 80% is, those tasks that are familiar, even though they're not generating the results that we want. They're very familiar, and they allow us to look at ourselves and say, I'm really busy. And then we feel good, we feel more productive, we feel like we're up to something good. Meanwhile, we're just calling ourselves busy, but we're actually busy with the wrong things. So I want you to think about that. What are the 20%? What's the 20% of things that you're doing in your business that are generating 80% of your results? And I want you to start spending more time there. I'm Chris Kenny. I look forward to seeing you really soon. Take care.